Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we will discuss naman about circle and line intersections. Okay, we have now second line is a line that has 2 points of intersection with a circle. The line segment formed by these intersection points is a chord of the given circle. And then the largest possible chord of the circle is its diameter which it passes through a center. No? So example of second is this one. Okay, and then part ng second is yung chord. Yan. Ito yung walang arrow, no, on the circle yung endpoint niya. And then yung largest possible chord na kaya natin ma-create in a circle is yung tinatawag na diameter that passes through the center point. Okay? Then tagal. Tangent line naman, no? So a line that intersects a circle in only one point naman. So that is the tangent line. The line segment from the center of the given circle to the point of tangency is always perpendicular to the tangent line. So that is the postulate, no? Yung ito yung tangent line, and then yung line na mafo-form from the center point to the point of tangency is always perpendicular to the tangent line. This line segment is also the radius of the given circle. Okay? Now, so nire-recall natin yung second at saka yung tangent line here in a circle intersection, no? Because here we are going to find the general form, no, of the general form and graph, no, of the circle and a line. Now, a circle is tangent to the y-axis and has its center at a -4 and 7. Determine its general form and the graph. Now, since tangent line is equal tangent line is y axis, no? So yung magiging equation niya is x equal to 0 kasi nga yung tangent line na yan nasa y axis. So automatic yung x niya is 0. Then if we write it in ax plus by plus equal to 0, your x here is equal to 0. So ito yung magiging equation of the line natin. Then your A here is equal to 1, your B is 0, your C is 0, no? Then yung center point natin is -4 and 7. Now, your H here is -4, your K is 7. Now, we will use a direct distance formula, no? So for your graph, for your radius here, no? Kasi before natin i-graph, kailangan natin ng radius kasi center point lang ang given. Okay? And then yung tangent line. Now, so itong direct distance formula, kinuha to doon sa previous topic natin, no? I guess that is on first quarter na topic natin. Very familiar na kayo dito. Now, ito yung distance, kinuha to sa distance of a point and the line. Okay? If you still remember, distance of a point and the line. So galing yan, itong formula to galing yan doon. Now, your A here, no, substitute your A here to 1 times your H here is -4, your B here is 0, yung K natin is positive 7, yung C natin is 0 all over by the square root of your A here is 1, so 1 squared plus your B is 0. Okay? So absolute value of 1 times -4 is -4. 0 times 7 is 0, plus 0 over by 1 squared is 1, square root of 0 is 0. Now, -4 plus 0 plus 0 is -4 over by 1 plus 0 is 1. Absolute value of -4 is 4. Square root of 1 is 1. So we have 4 divided by 1 is 4. So yung radius natin dito is 4. So 4 units, no? Yung distance ng tangent y-axis to the center point of the circle, which is -4 and 7. So now, by here, no, for the general form, we have, balikan natin yung na-discuss natin about general form, no? Substitute, no, your h to -4, your k here to 7, then yung r natin is equal to 4, no? So x minus -4 or x plus 4 squared, y minus 7 squared equal to 16. Then squaring of two binomials here, x squared, x times 4 times 2, that is 2x times 4x, parehas lang din yun, binabaliktad ko lang. Y squared, ano no, 4 squared is 16, then we have y squared times 2 times y times 7, no? Then negative 7 squared is positive 49 equal to 16. So we have x squared plus 2 times x times 4 is 8x plus 16 plus y squared. Negative 2 times y times 7 is negative 14y plus 49 equal to 16. Then, arrange natin. We have x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus, minus 14y plus 16 plus 49 equal to, minus 16 equal to 0. Transpose natin to. Copy. Then 16 plus 49 minus 16 equal to 0. We have 49. So ito yung magiging general form niya ng ito. A circle is tangent to y-axis and its center is negative 4 and 7. Now, another one. Ano, parehas pa rin, no? What about sa graph naman, no? How can we graph the given here, no? Yung center point ng circle is negative 4 and 7. So hanapin natin dito, no? Ito, negative 4 and 7 na from a Cartesian plane. And then, yung radius niya is 4. So, 4 units yan. No? 4 units dito, 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 tsaka dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, magiging ganito yung circle natin. Okay? 4 units, 4 units, 4 units, 4 units. Okay? So, nandito yung tangent line natin, yung y-axis. Ito yung magiging graph niya. Okay? Next, number 2. The center of a circle is at 6 and 8, and it is tangent to the line 5x minus 12y plus 1 equal to 0. What is its general form? Okay? So, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung general form wherein yung circle natin is tangent to this line, no, with the center of 6 and 8. Now, from a tangent line 5x minus 12y plus 1 equal to 0, your A here is 5, your B here is negative 12, yung C naman natin is 1. Okay? Then, for the center, no, your H here is 6, yung K naman natin is 8. So, gamitin natin yung directed distance formula. We have R is equal to the absolute value of AH plus BK plus C all over by the square root of A squared plus B squared. Now, substitute your A to 5, your H naman to 6, your B to negative 12, your K to 8, your C naman to 1. Okay? All over by your A ulit is 5, your B to negative 12. Now, simplify natin. 5 times 6 is 30. Negative 12 times 8 is negative 96 plus 1 all over by 5 squared is 25. Negative 12 squared is positive 144. Then now, 30 minus 96 plus 1 is equal to negative 65. All over by 25 plus 144 is 169. Absolute value of negative 65, that is 65. Square root of 169 is 13. 65 times 13 is equal to 5. So we have 5 units yung radius natin. Then now, balik tayo dito, no? So your center point is 6, 8, 6 and 8, then the radius is 5. Using this formula, yung standard form, substitute your H to 6, your K naman to 8, yung R natin to 5. And then, square natin. X squared minus 2 times x times 6. Negative 6 squared is 36 plus y squared minus 2 times y times 8. Then plus negative 8 squared is 64 equal to 5 squared is 25. Then simplify natin. 2 times x times 6 is negative 12x plus 36 here plus y squared. Negative 2 times y times 8 is negative 16y plus 64 equal to 25. Then, arrange natin, no? You have x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 16y plus 36 plus 64 transpose 25, we have negative 25 here equal to 0. 36 plus 64 minus 25 is equal to 75. So ito yung magiging general form niya. Okay? Now, here, exercise tayo. Use the directed distance formula to find the distance. Okay? So distance and radius, parehas lang din yun. Okay? 8x minus 15y plus 3 is equal to 0 and the point 4 and negative 3. Ito yung center point. Okay? What is the distance between center point and then this tangent line? Okay? Again, get your A. Your A is 8. Your B is negative 15. Your C is 3. And then, yung H natin is 4. Yung K natin is negative 3. Can substitute, no? Your A to 8. Your H naman to 4. Your B naman to negative 15. Your K naman to negative, this is negative 3. Wait. Yung K natin is negative 3. So may mali na dito. Okay? Ayusin natin. Then your A ulit is 8. Yung B natin is negative 15. Then now, 8 times 4 is 32. Negative 15 times negative 3. That would be equal to positive 40, 45, tama. 45 plus 3. Now, 32 plus 45, no. 8 squared muna dito, 64. Negative 15 squared is 225. Then now, 32 plus 45 plus 3, that would be equal to, ilan? Let me check. 32 plus 3 is 35 plus 45, that is 80. Okay? Absolute value of 80 is equal to 80. Sunod, 64 plus 225 is equal to 289. Square root of 289 is 17. So 80, am I right? 80 or 90? Wait. 5, mama, 80. Okay? Okay. Time calculator. Okay, 80 divided by 17 is equal to 4.7. Okay, 4.7, no? We have 4.7. Okay. Next. Number 2. Okay? Use the directed distance formula to find the distance of 48x plus 14y minus 1 equal to 0 and the point 0 and 2. Again, your A is 48, your B is 14, your C here is negative 1. What happened here? Okay, so di ko na-edit, no? This one is negative 1. Okay? Sa center naman, we have 0 and 2. So your H is 0, your K is 2. Then substitute your A to 48, your B to, yung H muna is 0, your B to 14, your K to 2, your C is negative 1. Okay? And then, your A ulit is 48. So we have 48 squared. Your B naman here is 14. Kasi nakakalito pag maraming numbers eh. Ayusin ko muna. Okay. 27. Okay, saan na tayo? 48 times 0 is 0. 14 times 2 is 28. minus 1 all over by the square root of 48 square is 2,304. The square of 14 is 196. So 0 plus 28 minus 1 is 27. Then 2,304 plus 196 is 2,500. Absolute value of 27 is 27. Square root of 25, 2,500 is 50. Then 27 divided by 50 is equal to 0.54. So that is the radius or the distance. Okay. Next, use directed distance formula to find the distance of y equal to 12 over by 5x minus 2 and point negative 1 and 1. Now, again, nasa ano siya, it is written in a slope intercept form. So we will write it into standard form of linear equation. How can we write it? By multiplying both sides by 5 muna. 5 times y is 5y. Cancel this out, we have 12x minus 2 times 5 is 10. Then transpose, we have negative 12x plus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Then now, your A here is negative 12, your B here is 5, your C is 10. Then sa center naman, we have S equal to negative 1. Yung K naman natin is equal to positive 1. Then use this formula. Substitute your A to negative 12. Lagay natin dito. Yung H natin to negative 1. Yung B natin to 5. Yung K natin to 1. Then your C to 10. Again, your A is negative 12 and then your B is 5. Negative 12 times negative 1 is positive 12. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 10 all over by the square root of negative 12 squared is 144. Square root of 5 is 25. 12 plus 5 plus 10 is 27. And then 144 plus 25 is 169. Absolute value of 27 is 27. Square root of 169 is 13. 27 divided by 13 is equal to 2.1. Okay? So that's it. Okay, thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Your quiz and assignment are to be followed na. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.